Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm just gonna quickly look at Euro GBP. I'm looking at Euro GBP right now, and for the week, I think um as much as you can as much as Euro GBP is bullish, you know, we are in an uptrend. We created a high. This is the daily time frame, by the way, and now I'm expecting price to give us a pullback, then continue with the buys. But let me delete this thing first. Okay, so we do know that we are in a pullback, right? But we are in an uptrend. But then, if I look at the 4 hour, um, we can clearly see that okay, um, the daily is starting to give us that pullback because momentum is dying down. How do we know that momentum to the upside has died down? Well, I saw that this low got violated. So this is the first sign that, okay, the buys are probably finished because now lows are being violated, right? Price is taking down lows. So, well, price is breaking lows. So normally when price breaks lows, you know, it's in a downtrend. So now this lets me know that, okay, the downtrend um, is starting. But then we know that price overall is bullish. So that downtrend that's gonna start is a pullback phase, right? So what do I expect now? So okay, we know that okay, the market created um these equal highs right here, and then the market created. Let me just use this highlighter. Then the market created these lows. The market then respected the failed to break above these highs, but then the market broke below these this low right here on the 4 hour. So now what do I expect the market to do, right? So now the market impulsively just broke these lows. So now we expect a pullback to the upside because now we know that this is the beginning of a downtrend, right? So now we expect the market to pull back, forming that 4 hour, that lower low, before coming to form that 4 hour lower high, and then continuing with the downtrend and so forth. You get me? So now on Euro GBP, let me just remove this. I am expecting the market to come, give us some sort of like push to the upside before looking to enter for myself. Let me go to the 1 hour. Yes. So right now the market is still pushing to the downside because you guys can clearly see, man, like it broke this low, but this break of this low could just be a sweep before price starts creating that chop pattern to the upside and then shooting to the downside. But I don't wanna forecast that far into the thing because the market could still just break towards the downside. So like I know I've said this a lot of times, but we're gonna have to wait this one out as well. We're gonna have to, yeah, you know. One thing about this thing, guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna make you wait. The market will make you wait, and I feel like if you're not prepared to wait, then you're gonna lose a lot of trades. You're gonna lose a lot of trades because even with waiting, though, like let's say the market does get here, I'm not just gonna enter because the market's here. I'm gonna have to wait and go down to lower time frames to see if there's in some sort of like market structure shift on those time frames, that could, that I'm gonna look for signs that's gonna tell me, okay, maybe we are ready to sell, because the market could, get here and play and then just shoot up and continue, and then this will be like a higher low, and then go create bullish structure. So hey dog, you're gonna have to wait. What's going on with my laptop now? What's this? Oh my god. But look at this thing, man. How is so, as I was saying, so it's really a game of patience, right? So one thing that's also well, not confusing, I do see that the market created a double top, right? With this high and this high. These are equal highs. So what does that mean? So according to the information on YouTube, or the, you know, this, when there's like equal lows and equal highs, you know, there's a sign that there's liquidity resting above. So with me, ideally what I'd love to see, I'm ex I'm kind of expecting the market to sweep um and take out, liquidity that's resting above before the sell, you know. Because normally I would expect the market to give me a higher, normally I would expect the market to give me a higher low, before breaking, before continuing to sell, and continue with the pullback. But then for this one, I think I'm gonna have to wait for the sweep of these highs before looking to sell. You I don't know if I'm making sense or anything, but this is what I'm waiting for on EURGBP. I'm waiting for this lower low to get formed, because now we broke below this low, so now price is supposed to create a lower low before creating that higher high. I mean that lower high. But for me, I'm just gonna have to wait for a sweep because of the double top, because um with the information, normally people are gonna do this, dog. Well, they say that retail traders are gonna do this. We all know double tops and double bottoms, right? So this is how they teach us with double tops and double bottoms. People are gonna wait for a retest of the neckline before shooting to the downside, right? So they would enter positions like this, and then take, the setup. But so with that knowledge, that's the reason why I'd rather wait for the market to come, sweep, then shoot to the downside, you know. But then the market also does not have to sweep. It could just go. The market could really just respect it and, oh my days, and just shoot to the downside. So we're just gonna have to wait and see. It's really a waiting game on EURGBP. Let me check that. Yeah, there's really nothing else to say about EURGBP besides that, that I am looking to sell this thing throughout the week, or whenever the move happens. But yeah, I'm not looking to buy EURGBP anytime soon. I'm looking to sell this thing towards towards my bad guys, my bad. I'm looking to sell it towards the discount of this move here. So if we look at our range, just, you know So now price is in premium. I'm looking forward to discount. So I'll probably sell and try and get a discount before buying EURGBP. And it also aligns with GBP because these ones are inversely correlating. So whenever one buys, the other one sells. So this one, it looks like it's gonna buy. So I'm looking for sales here. And which other pair do I need to analyze? I think these ones. And I think, yeah, this is a very, very, very short video, but I just thought I'd just get it out there. Just give my weekly outlook on EURGBP, and yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video.